Namaste dosto, welcome to new video. And I am creating a series of GST entries in Tally, and I have already uploaded 2 videos. You can refer those. Now in this video I'll talk about the payment. In last video we talked about creation of GST liability, and in this video we'll be making the payments. So go to voucher. Payment type is already voucher type is already selected as payment. Okay, now I'm making payment to this Sohan Traders, from whom we purchased 10 number of computers. So date I am taking as 1st July. So friends, here I am making payment to Sohan Traders, who was standing as creditor in my books. So creditor has like credit balance, so we are making payment by debiting. You got the concept? Because creditor has credit balance, so we have to close that account by debiting. So I am debiting Sohan Traders 1 lakh against reference. This one against reference is very important, friends. So that's why I asked you to enable the option maintain bill-wise details in ledger details. Okay, so against reference this, and 2 I'm making through Kotak bank account. Okay, so check the entries, friends. So I'm making the payment. I'm accepting the entry as it is. So let's do page up to check the entry. Okay, so friends, we use page up, page down to flip the entries. Okay, now let's make GST payment, and date I am selecting as 31st July. Now friends, I have to make GST payment, so this is very important. Please make a note of it, because even I was not aware when I was going through my notes. Then I recalled the topic. Okay, so go to voucher, then payment, select the voucher type as payment, then autofill option, then statutory payment, stat payment, then tax type you select as GST, regular, and I'm doing it from 1st April to 1st July. So I gave the details, friends. Account, I'm making payment through Kotak bank account, and the type of payment I'm making is output GST, output is GST. Okay, and total payment is 18,000. Let me accept the entry. So I accepted the entry. I'm pressing page up. See the entry now. Okay, this is how we make the GST payment. Now let's proceed to next step, that is claiming of tax credit. Okay, let's come back to gateway of Tally, then display more reports, then GST report, GST at 3B, period I'm filtering. It's from April 23, okay, to July 23. Okay, and go to this option, then press Alt G, then I have to select here increase of input credit, but both options are appearing here, so let me select Okay, then for claiming output I have to reverse this. To tax on, because we showed it as current asset, now we are claiming the credit, so I am crediting it. Okay, then accepting the screen. Let's go back. See eligible. Okay, again we are going to GST or 3B, then filter the period from 1st April. Now you can see here friends, eligible ITC, 18,000. Okay, so thank you friends, hope you understood the concept, and as I told you earlier as well that these are very relevant, and I have not seen people explaining so much in detail, so please make a note, keep a notebook aside whenever I'm saying these concepts. I'm also referring my these notes to make you understand, and to recall all the topics. It's useful for me as well. So thank you friends, and in comment box do let me know that what kind of videos you want to upskill. Thank you friends, and this series will continue for some more time. I'll be discussing some more relevant features, so stay connected. Thank you. Thank you friends, please refer the playlist.